Today we have our final work day on the student-built Habitat for Humanity home here at Roxbury High School. Today we're actually installing our cabinets. Our cabinets, we're able to get them through Hoboken Cabinetry, a really wonderful company that is able to help us secure the cabinets. They're also able to do our own design for the kitchen. Then their owner, Robert Smith, comes out to actually teach our students how to do the install. Overall, it's been a really great day. We've got beautiful weather here, and we're really doing all of this work to do our final touch-ups before tonight's big event with our parents. Both our school family and our community abroad are able to come in and see the work that the students are doing. And then we're leaving it at a really great stopping point for the summer before we come back next year, and our next group of seniors will begin building the second half and really getting that much closer to completion.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Robert Smith from Hoboken Cabinetry, Hoboken, New Jersey. We have our second Habitat home we've been doing here with the guys over in Roxbury High School, doing a fantastic job. Built this house with their own sweat and grit. Did a great job so far. So today we hung some cabinets up on the wall. We're going to get the base cabinets done. It's going to be all ready for them to come and template the countertops and wrap everything up. What we installed today is a framed cabinet, meaning it is a box with a maple face frame around it. Adjustable shelves, base cabinets. We've got some nice accessories for them. We have some Lazy Susan in here, which gives them a little additional storage, which is a nice thing. They're going to have their cabinet here, stove over here, microwave up on top. They've already run the wire for the microwave. They're going to surface mount an outlet box up in here. And when the microwave comes in, they'll drill a hole in here, run the cord up and plug it in. The refrigerator is going to go over here on the end with a cabinet above it. They have the plumbing done for the sink, which is going to be centered under the window. And right now this is a 1.5-inch drain line for the sink. They're going to bring the hot and the cold lines up for the plumbing up through the floor, which is going to prevent it from freezing to get to the exterior wall. So if you were to put those lines in the wall here and it's not properly insulated, there's a lot of cold air moves around there in the middle of the wall, you can get some frozen pipes, causes some issues. So in this case, they bring them right up to the floor, to the bottom of the cabinet, and you're ready to go. This outlet here is going to fall out inside the base cabinet for the dishwasher. So the dishwasher is going to come with a plug on it, just like a lamp, let's say. So they're going to be drilling a hole through the side of the sink base, run the wire through, plug it in. That's a means of disconnect for the dishwasher. So in case it has to be serviced, they can unplug it and slide it back out. Super simple. You're going to have another cabinet on the end here. It's going to have a couple drawers in it for storage. And then pop the doors on through and we'll call it a day. So it's successful so far. Guys did a great job. Very proud of everybody. Happy to be part of the job.